What we have here is a Hampton Bay Quick Connect. I'm currently at my gym right now. Got a Hampton Bay Quick Connect. It's in custom matte black. That's changed. Before I demonstrate the Quick Connect, this is still forward. That one's still forward. That one's on reverse. And then this one's still forward. And now it's back to the Quick Connect, which is off right now. The reason why this is off is because I'm going to be demonstrating this on all 3 speeds. This is off. This is what it looks like complete. I say make a demonstration. I had to make this on all 3 speeds. I had to make this on all 3 speeds because I actually have this fan in my collection. Now let's move on. Get it start up on low. Yeah, it does wobble on low. Yep, it wobbles along low. It does wobble on low. It's all on medium, surprisingly. Medium's actually an okay speed. Now let's move on to high. Okay, so this is high already. It's actually pretty. It's a good fan even though it's wobbling on high. Despite the wobbliness, it's a good fan. This is not the one that it was sought after I picked it up. This is not sought after, it's a different Quick Connect, even though I have a white Quick Connect at the back of my house. It's okay. Blows good out there because it's on high. 5 minutes and guess close to 30 seconds. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.